Hi, welcome to Model Marvels. As you can see, not a particularly successful build. This is our Terminator. As you can see, it's basically crumbling under its own weight, but I thought I'd give you a look anyway. I'll get out of the way, and you can see here he is. So it would have been quite impressive hanging up there, but it's just not going to work out because he can't stand under his own weight. You have to touch something and it breaks. Just about. This is upscaled from the original, so I'll let you have a few minutes, seconds, whatever, looking at it. Stay tuned, we've got some more stuff coming. See you soon. Bye.